I was really about to take a nap, like really about to take a nap, like this close. Like I was already laying down, but I was like, I have a lot to do, so yeah. Hey friends, it's Evilise J, Ivelisse, and I'm back with another freaking video. Now, before we do anything, before we go any further, before you start actually watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you at it, you can just go watch my other videos. Y'all haven't been here to record in like a little while. So, as y'all can see right here, and y'all can't see that corner, but I'm going to show y'all that corner. I'm going to show y'all my closet. I'm going to show y'all everything because as y'all can see from the title of this video, we're going to be doing like a whole like room transformation, baby preparation type of stuff. Like we're gonna have episodes. I don't know how I want those episodes planned out yet, so I'm just gonna like kind of like brainstorm and just go. I don't know, with this video I'm just gonna go with the flow, and then like I said, like see how I want my videos organized. But right now we're just gonna start some type of room stuff. Like we're just gonna get this process started. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do today, but we're gonna do something productive. So I have a couple weeks left until the baby comes, so we're gonna start getting this room ready. I'm gonna be sharing a room with the baby, and I want to do like a whole like painting type of thing, hanging stuff up, taking all my stuff down, and really make this his room with my bed in it. So yeah, we're gonna start that. Like I said, I don't really know what's in this video, like what's gonna be in this video. I really want this video to be like start taking my stuff out and like get prepared. I don't know. So basically I have like a drawer in the closet. I'm gonna show y'all later, but I have like a dresser type thing in the closet that's full of like hair stuff, waxing stuff, like all my stuff. So really I just want to clear that out. I bought some bins. I'm gonna show y'all that later too, but I bought some bins, so I'm just gonna be transferring the stuff in the closet into the clear bins and then put the bins in the closet. I don't know if this is making sense, but basically everything outside my room, I want it to be like baby related. Everything inside my closet, I want it to be like my space. So that's kind of like the idea, or like kind of like what I'm going for. If that makes sense, y'all. I'm out of breath. Like, but yeah. So we're gonna start something now. First, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of everything, and then we're just gonna go into it from there. Y'all, so in this corner, this is basically everything I got from the baby shower. Everything I've bought, you know, for the baby. It's like there's like a whole bag of stuff in here. Whatever y'all see out, there's a lot of stuff in that bin. Today I just received this. Somebody bought this off my registry, so this was like a little bathtub. I don't know where this is going. As y'all seen, he has like a bunch of diapers and wipes and like blankets, crib stuff in there, his clothes out here. Basically like all his stuffed animals, clothes, and yeah, everything else. But I just want to show y'all the problem that I have, like ever since I like put this up. I have these drawers on the side of my bed that can't open fully because this is too close to there. Also, my closet door opens like this, but it hasn't been able to like, this is all I could get from that side of the closet. Like, so basically, don't mind my bed, it's not done. But basically, overall, like, just like a quick, what I want to do, I want to paint this wall, and I want to paint this wall blue, like baby blue. I want to do like a twinkle twinkle little star theme going on like right here on this wall. I want to have his name coming down. And yeah, like I said, a lot is about to change in my room. I need to take my AC out. I don't know, that just looked bad. But I want to get rid of this little nightstand. I'm gonna get a new bed frame because this bed frame is actually new, but it's too big for my room. Like I said, this is the only space I have in between his little like organizer and my bed. So I'm gonna get a new bed frame, and y'all don't even want to see the other side of the room, but we're just gonna start with something right now. So these are the little like plastic drawers that I'm gonna be filling with my stuff. This one's new. This one I had already, but I just took like a few things out. But real quick, let me show y'all what's in the closet that I'm gonna be like taking the stuff out of and putting them in here. So basically I have these like ottoman things filled with like my personal stuff, so I'm just gonna be moving it so I can use this for the baby. I'm gonna buy all new ones, so don't mind this, it looks ugly right now. But yeah, I'm gonna start taking out everything and start to put them in the plastic drawers.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, where's any outfit? then one day you disappeared. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? But boys a liar, but boys a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. But boys a liar, but boys a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough.
He say that I'm good enough, but I'm not better. Think about shit that I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hear me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean
All right, y'all, so I did basically all the drawers. I emptied out 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have 5 and then 6 over there. But I just wanted to show y'all, so in this drawer I have all my wax stuff, like my extra razors, extra like eyebrow blades. I have like the pre-wax stuff, all the wax stuff in here basically. Then in here I have all the extra like hair stuff, like extra hair ties, like hair stuff that I don't use on a regular, like rubber bands, like I don't use that on a regular, flexi rods, hair dye, like anything I don't use on a regular is like in here. It's considered like extra. And then right here I have like this miscellaneous drawer. I don't know, I just had a whole bunch of like travel size shampoos, body washes, stuff like that. And I had extra like perfume stuff that I got for Christmas, a hair mask, I guess. It's just like extra, I guess. So right now I'm just gonna go through my makeup stuff, see what I don't really use. I really think I'm gonna throw out this whole drawer, to be honest, because all my like everyday makeup stuff is in my makeup bag. So I just don't see what's the purpose of all this. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and go through that and fix it in the drawer. Y'all gonna see, but I just wanted to show y'all like where I've gotten so far with everything. So yeah. All right, y'all, so this was the last bin. I already got all my like, oh, it almost fell. I already got all my like flat irons, blow dryers, all my like heat appliances in here. Now in here I'm gonna fill with my like socks and pajamas that I have in these little side drawers. So I'm about to do that real quick. I know I gotta throw out a lot of like socks that don't have pairs and like pajamas that don't fit me no more, so I'm just gonna do all that real quick. All right, my desk is like a hot mess right now, but I want to take apart my desk because I don't really need it in here anymore. It's like just like taking up space for real. I need a dust. It looks terrible, whatever. But yeah, I want to take this apart, and I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now, or I'm gonna see if somebody else in my house wants it before I like start taking it apart. And then that's where like this little shelf that held all the ottomans, that's where that's going over here. So yeah, I need a little break. So far, I moved everything I needed to move out my closet into those little like plastic shelves that I told y'all. Now I'm about to take apart my desk, but I just need a little break because that's gonna be a lot. Because I have a lot on my desk, so I gotta like clean off the top and then take it apart and then take it out my room and then bring the little drawer that's in my closet out, put my TV on. It's a lot, but I'm about to start that right now.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm partying. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna lay with you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I can see how you feel. And you feel it, make it feel.
Alright, y'all, so this is what I moved from out my closet to hold my TV and hold the ottomans. I'm gonna replace all of them because as y'all see, that one is like missing the rings. Some of them are dirty inside. So I'm just gonna replace some of the ottomans because that's where the baby stuff is going. Y'all seen I put the plastic bins inside of here. I don't know if I said this already, but if I didn't, the plastic bins are inside of here. All I have left to do is take this desk apart, but I'm waiting and trying to find a screwdriver. So I'm gonna do this in a few. I might just like insert the clip probably after this or wherever, but I'll probably insert the clip, or the clip is probably inserted already.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they said it up, I got them on it. I bought a new bag, I had to wrestle what you told me. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. Baby, your car, you just listen, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that file on the performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes be little cute shit, they all honest. From another way up, nigga, honest. I know they hating on me, but I don't be honest. Remember I tell her to come, she gone. Whenever it's smoke, she ain't honest. Fuck around the time, off this way, going on the show, going on the road, I don't care the vibe, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind, soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise, every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around the time, off this way, going on the show, I been on the road, I don't care the vibe, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind, soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Every other night another movie get made. Every other night starting with a good day. Don't feel like a child, I got pimples in the face. Evidence in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want to try, I'm gon' win and not a slave. I hit that drop that too many bitches get insane. See this nigga flip so I took a private plane. These pussy niggas like a wild working on my aim. Jump too hard, charge to the car, to the center, to the ground like a better spelling name. You gon' fuck around the time, tryna run a nigga way. Jump too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the time, off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road, I don't care what I do, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Jump too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the time, off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road, I don't care what I do, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
And that's about it. I didn't do much. Like, I didn't do like any like big moving or any like big things, which I don't think I'm gonna do. I don't think it's gonna be a lot of like big moving around, or the only thing is my bed. Like I said, like we gotta take my bed apart and I'm gonna get a new bed frame. But yeah, I think I'm gonna split this, like I'm gonna call it a series, up into episodes, and we're gonna do like different things every single day. So that was like kind of the end of day one. I kind of just like started the process, if that makes sense. And like I said, once I get new ottomans and once I switch everything out that needs to be switched out, then we can start like putting stuff in. I don't know if I'm gonna like save this like footage or whatever and like just add a new day into this, or if this is gonna be episode 1 and then we're gonna have like episode 2. But I really hope you guys enjoyed whatever y'all seen today. Like I said, this is just the start of things. Like I'm already sweating, I need a shower, I'm hungry. So yeah, like I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for what's to come.